Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, or should I say welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, and please, I want you to stay. Click that subscribe button. Today I am showing you another bathroom renovation. This is my guest bathroom, and listen, your girl, she just keeps outdoing herself, okay? So you know what, I'm not gonna keep you guys any longer. Let's just get straight into it. As you can see, I removed my bathroom vanity and the mirror, and I also removed the tiles. I'm just gonna fix this here. Like, apparently they did some work here and there's a dip where the toilet was, so I'm just kind of reinforcing the plywood and kind of changing that board that's there because it's a little bit smaller than what's there initially. So yeah. This is what it looks like once the board is in. I know it's weird. No one's gonna see it, so I don't care. So anyway, these are dots that I made where there's dips in the flooring. And so I poured self-leveling on just to make it more nice and level before I put my underlayment on top, and then I'll be putting the floor on. This was me being really picky because I was like, oh, I kind of cut this a little bit too wide, but it's doable, so I'll work with it. Now you're seeing me wasting my time, and you'll see why I say that later on. My initial plan was to remove this little piece that I'm cutting out and kind of put my little strips there and do my design, and I had it all figured out. And then a family friend came by, saw the washroom, and they were like, the bathroom looks so good and that tub does not fit in. So yeah. For those who are wondering, these strips are from MDF boards that I cut using a table saw. So this is where I kind of got creative. I wanted to do like a 90s kind of 70s vibe. I'm just using sea sponge to kind of create these designs. I'm using white, and then I'm going back in with like a gray paint. Now this is me wasting my time for the second time doing something that's going to be taken down. I'm using a brad nailer. Shouldn't be doing that because I was using staples and it created these big holes. If I had like a nail gun, that would have worked perfectly. But anyways, these are going to be removed later on, so I'm not too worried about that. Also, do not come for me. I know I should cut these strips at an angle to join them. I was just being lazy, so don't come for me, okay? this is the point where the poor bathtub had to go. I ended up just gutting out everything, and I had someone in to do the tile work for me because I had no experience with tiling, and we ended up just cutting an opening through my guest bedroom just to put the bathtub through. So yeah, but it was going well. Unfortunately, something came up and that person couldn't finish doing the tiling, but of course, you know, your girl but I have to step up and kind of take over, which I did. So keep watching and yeah, just kind of tell me how I did. Just wanted to say this was what he did, but unfortunately I had to continue working from here. Of course, I learned a thing or two from him, and he was so sweet. He left his saw with me to kind of continue the job, which I really appreciated. Also, I'm not going to talk through what I did because, listen, this was my first time. I had no idea what I was doing. I knew the tiles had to be level and there must be stuff that's back there to kind of hold it. And I kind of just followed through with that. Like I said, I did learn from him, watched him do the work. And yeah, so I kind of just troubleshoot from there. By the way, there are a lot of things that you're not actually seeing in this video. Like, you're not seeing how frustrated I am. Like, there are times where I got really frustrated because, like, for some reason this tile would not stay level. Like, there was so much packing I had to do because the wall was uneven. Like, it was really stressful, but I hang on in there. I really liked how it was looking, so that kind of motivated me to keep going on. So it was an amazing experience, and I would definitely do it all over again. the most exciting part of the tiling for me because I'm finally putting in the accent tiles, and I feel like that's just gonna bring the washroom together. So what I'm doing is I'm just gonna packing the gaps just to make sure that there's a flat surface where I'm gonna put like the accent tiles in. After measuring how long I want the accent tiles to be, I put them together and then I draw a straight line with a marker and cut both ends just so that it fit perfectly in the gaps. Here you see me using a wet sponge to damp the surface, and then I'm applying the mixture to the wall, and then I'm gonna press the tiles in to hold them in place. Now that I'm done putting up the tiles, I'm gonna go in and grout the spaces, but just kind of wanted to show you I was so proud of myself and I was so happy. Here I'm just doing the final touches. I'm just putting in caulking to cover up the spaces between the crown molding and the strips. And this is how it turned out. My partner and I, we did put up the glass, and I got some baseboards and I painted those and I put those on. And now all for you to do is just enjoy. And I just want to say, if you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. This is a complete look of the washroom. I built this bathroom vanity from scratch. If you want to see that, I'm going to either leave it at the end of this video, or also you can check the top of your screen and you'll see a link there. Thank you so much for watching again, and as usual, thank you for sticking around. Thank you so much. I appreciate you and taking the time out of your day to watch my video. Thanks.